Humans, we're more sensitive to changes in our environment than you.
A slight temperature rise?
A little air pollution.
Or dirty water.
And we're in trouble.
But you know, these humans have been making an effort lately.
Huh?
Like the other day.
A new gadget. Cool.
They're recycling the old one.
Oh?
Look at this. Now you mention it, even leftover food waste's gone way down.
What? Whoa, that shaver's turning into a toothbrush.
That heat pump, it's different somehow.
The green light on the fridge keeps turning on.
This washing machine's using so little water. Hang on, could all this be...
Is this?
Is this?
Is this?
Is this?
Reducing food loss by keeping foods fresh longer and turning food waste into fertilizer. Making parts interchangeable, so we need fewer things. Applying AI to save water and electricity. Capturing heat from the air to use as energy. Recycling some of the products we don't need anymore. Designing factories of the future that run on renewable energy.
Oh, wow. Oh, that.
It's all about keeping people smiling. Each Panasonic initiative is designed to contribute to more sustainable, comfortable living and to protecting this planet and all its beings, today and tomorrow.
So please, humans, keep at it.